Hey guys, welcome to Tetris tutorial. In today's video we're gonna learn about how to see Spotify Wrapped again. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So for you to be able to see your Spotify Wrapped, so you just need your Spotify account. For that one, you'll just need to head onto the app itself, and then you should be able to see your wrap in here. So I have recently viewed already the Spotify wrap, so you'll just need to click onto the wrap icon again in there so that you'll get redirected onto here, and then you should be able to see your 2023 wrap in that one. So you could explore it again, and then you'll just have to click, and that's just basically it onto seeing your Spotify wrap again. If you think that has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.